Hello everyone. My name is Daniel, and I am 21 years old. I live in Chicago, USA, with my wonderful family. My family is very important to me because they always support and encourage me. There are 5 members in my family: my father, my mother, my elder sister, my younger brother, and me. My father's name is Robert. He is 48 years old and works as an engineer. He is very hardworking and always teaches me valuable life lessons. My mother's name is Sarah. She is 45 years old and works as a nurse. She is kind, caring, and always takes care of our family. My elder sister, Olivia, is 24 years old. She recently graduated from university and now works as a graphic designer. She is very creative and loves drawing and designing digital artwork. Sometimes, she helps me with my college projects. My younger brother, Ethan, is 17 years old. He is in high school and loves playing soccer. He dreams of becoming a professional soccer player one day. We all have a strong bond and enjoy spending time together. Every weekend, we have a family movie night where we watch our favorite films. We also love going on road trips and exploring new places. Our last trip was to the Grand Canyon, and it was an amazing experience. At home, we help each other with different tasks. My mother teaches me how to cook, and my father helps me with math when I need assistance. My sister and I often discuss new design ideas, and I help my younger brother with his homework. We believe that teamwork makes a happy family. My family also celebrates different festivals with great joy. Christmas is our favorite holiday because we decorate the house, exchange gifts, and spend quality time together. We also enjoy Thanksgiving, where we prepare a big meal and share what we are grateful for. Here are some useful words from the passage, along with their meanings: encourage, to give support, confidence, or hope to someone; hardworking, a person who puts in a lot of effort and dedication in their work; valuable, something very important or useful; caring, showing kindness and concern for others; graduated, completed a degree or course at a school or university; creative, having the ability to create or think of new and unique ideas; bond, a strong connection or relationship between people; exploring, traveling to or learning about new places and things; experience, the knowledge or skills gained from doing something; assistance, help or support. Discuss, to talk about something in detail; teamwork, working together to achieve a goal; festival, a special event or celebration; decorate, to make a place look beautiful by adding things like lights, ornaments, etc.; exchange, to give something and receive something in return; grateful, feeling thankful for something; inspire, to motivate or encourage someone to do something good; successful, having achieved a goal or reached a high position. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it and found it helpful, don't forget to like this video and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Your support helps me create more amazing content for you, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Let's grow this community together. Thank you for your support. See you in the next video.